Good morning. Dr. Taj here, and you can probably see where I'm at. Get some fresh air into my lungs, all through my whole body. A nice little bike ride. Beach is right behind me, and many of you want to know, can teeth cause sinus problems? Well, actually, yeah, it could, but more than likely not. And if it were to cause sinus problems, it would be more from an infection from a cavity inside the tooth, which will grow up on top of the tooth, become more pussy, or assist and impinge pressure onto the sinus. However, more than likely, it is from the sinus causing problems with the actual teeth. For example, I had a patient in about a week or so ago complaining of extreme pain in a tooth. Took an x-ray, no sign of any kind of infection. Did a look inside, no cavity whatsoever. I mean, healthy as can be. Started asking a few more questions about her health history, suffers from any kind of sinus infections, allergies, and wouldn't you know, she does. Well, do you have any current allergies now that you're taking any kind of medicines for? Actually, I am. And there you have it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna treat the sinus as an infection to rule out anything wrong with the teeth. So I gave her my little regimen, and guess what? I haven't heard from her since. It fixed the problem. So yes, so sinuses can actually cause problems with the teeth. A little bit more rare, but it can happen. So now you know. All right, come see us, Modern Family Dental Care. If you have any kind of issues whatsoever, we're here to take care of you.